We'll guide you through how to make a doorbell in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, you need to place a button to the left of the door on the lower block and dig out 2 blocks in front of it, 2 blocks deep like so, and then dig out 4 blocks along, which are all 2 deep. So it should go and look something like this. Break the block below the button and place some redstone there. Now spin around so you place the repeater in this angle. Now that you place that, place some more redstone, 2 bits, then another repeater, and then more redstone dust. You want to max out this repeater like so. Now what you want to do is go to this block here, just to the left of the redstone, break down 2 blocks and do the same thing here as well. Now what you need to do is place a block at the bottom. I like to use gold. Different blocks make note blocks sound differently, so you can test them out, but I like the sound of gold. And that's it. Now what we can do is set the tone. To do that, you right click on the note block. So I like to do fewer clicks and more clicks on this one to have something higher pitch for the second tone. And now when I go and click on it, I can go and hear it. And then what you can do is go and cover it up, and it's that simple. But of course you can go and change the tone to your liking.